Hello, guys, welcome to the Thursday morning reading. And it's a beautiful, beautiful day. And here are the three cards from the tarot deck that I have removed. And there is a one guidance card from the Sai Baba's Oracle deck. Let's see what the first card says. It's the Ace of Wands, guys. New opportunities, new beginnings. Again, every single day, aren't they just rubbing it in? You need to have faith that this is happening. New beginnings are coming your way. There is birth of new ideas, birth in the family. Anyone who's on the family way, as was the message given earlier, this is that time when new birth is going to be successful. So good news coming around, new ideas are going to be fulfilled and you will be successful in that. It's the time for creation. This is that time when everything that you want in your life, you need to sit and create it, because it is that time which will bring in success. Everything that you do right now, the universe is with you. The universe has given you that wand, the opportunities and the possibilities that are coming your way. The universe is saying there is this beautiful sunshine happening right there. The universe is saying that this is the time when I am with you. I always have been, and now I am with you all the more. Every single day I'm giving you that message that go ahead. It is the time to shed the old and begin the new. So guys, amazing card at that. Leading to the next one, which is the beautiful card of the sun. We just spoke about the sunshine, and now is the card of the sun. Again, new beginnings, again telling you the happy energy that is. Everything is sunshine and bright. So, time for marriage proposals if they are coming in. This will be the time to get your right match. This is also the time of happiness, of joy, of prosperity. Everything that's bright in your life, everything that is meant to be for your highest good is all coming your way. It is so beautiful. Again, story being told. New beginnings leading to happiness. Amazing, isn't it? As we all know, we are the creators. The universe supports us if we begin to believe in ourselves, have faith that we can create. And yes, we always create, good, bad, ugly, whatever you want to call it. The onus is only on us. It is us who create it. We create our own universe, and the universe and the Almighty stands there. And here it goes again, the Two of Cups, the Lover's card. This is the time of new beginning. This is the time of joining of hearts, be it in your relationship as in your personal relationship. Anyone who's finding a partner at this point in time, this is the time when you will find your perfect match, your right match. So the one who is on your frequency. Also the time for partnerships. This card has come even earlier, the Two of Cups. This is the time of emotional fulfillment. This is the time of peace of mind. This is the time of joining of two people. So see, new beginnings, new ideas may end up being in partnership and work. New ideas, new beginnings may turn into marriage. Marriage means joining of two hearts. Happiness, prosperity, joy, whatever it is, that's for the happy zone in our lives. All the sad days are gone now, guys. We need to focus on the happiness. We need to focus on creating love, creating joy, creating magic in our own lives and that of everyone's we touch. And this is the last card of ignorance that's coming from Sai. Sai is guiding us to talk less about our pains and hurts, and don't give a place for any of them in your consciousness. Simply put, it's saying let go of all the hurt and pain from the past. Let go of all the failures if there have been any in your life. Learn from them and use them as the guiding light for further future, for creating your own future. Because if you focus on pain, then all you get is pain. So Sai is saying ignore all of that, let go of all the sadness, all the hurt, and focus on the positivity in life, focus on the magic in life, focus on the beauty of life. That's what it is all about. Mother Konyan right here is blessing us with that. Look at the two swans again, the sign of love. There's a heart between that. Can you see that? How everything just falls in place when you look at them. I've been using this even earlier, but see how it's all falling in place. Two of Swords, Two of Cups, love. There's rose quartz right here. The crystal is again for heart and for love. So how beautiful are these readings, and aren't they always connected? As I always say, cards never lie, and they bring us beautiful messages each day. I'm wishing you so much of love, luck, and happy magical day. Let us talk again tomorrow. I will come back with new card readings for tomorrow. For now, have a very bright, sunshiny day, guys. Go spread that shine, spread the magic. Loads of love and luck. See you.